This is what you look like to TikTok. You're just a long list of numbers. They don't know your name, and even if they did, they wouldn't give a shit. They don't know where you're from. They don't care about your ethnicity, nothing. All you are to TikTok is this long list of numbers. And if you're like me, you're probably sitting there thinking, hey, I'm more than just a couple of numbers. But in terms of figuring out what to show you on the For You page, this is all TikTok needs to know of you. On the other side, you have the videos, like this one that I spent about 5 hours making. This is also just a long list of numbers. Well, then now the question is, well, how does TikTok use this to figure out what to show us on the For You page? You ever hear when people say, hey, TikTok spies on you, they record everything you do? In a way, it's kind of true. When you're scrolling away, liking, commenting, pressing all these random buttons that you can on TikTok, all of it's being recorded, stored away. All that data they get of you, they use machine learning and AI and all this other complicated shit that you don't really need to know about to create these long lists of numbers to represent you and also the videos that you watch. And there's some nerd out there somewhere that's saying, actually, this is called an embedding, and he's right. So on one side, you have a video embedding, which represents a video. On the other side, you have a user embedding, which, can you guess, it represents a user. So what do these numbers actually mean, though? Each of these numbers is a score for something completely random. For example, the first number on the list could be whether the video or the user is based in the UK. So the higher the number is, the more likely it is that that user or that video is based in the UK. The second number in the list could represent comedy. So in the video embedding, if the score is higher, then it's more likely that this video is a comedy video. On the user embedding, if the score is higher, it's more likely that the user is into comedy videos. So my user embedding, because I like to watch funny shit on TikTok, this number would be high. So for every single user and every single video, TikTok will have one of these embeddings. So now all they need to do to create this amazing For You page is just to find videos and users that have similar embeddings. And that is literally part at a very, 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 very high level of how the For You page works.